holidays are here, and I bet you need some Christmas gift ideas for the crocheter in your life. Or maybe you're a crocheter who would like to drop some hints about what you want for Christmas. Either way, this video is for you. We're going to look at some gift ideas that are tools and resources for the crocheter, some that provide comfort while you crochet, and at the end, we'll look at some that are just plain fun. So come along with me as I go through my crochet Christmas wish list. Otherwise, first on Santa's list is this crochet hook case. It comes with the blue case, and there are 12 ergonomic crochet hooks included. They range in sizes from 2mm to 8mm, which should cover most of your crochet needs. It also includes stitch markers, large blunt eye needles, which are perfect for threading yarn, a measuring tape, a row counter, and a ring cutter. And you get all of that for the sale price of $9.59. It is currently 36% off, so that is a great deal. The only thing that this set doesn't contain is an actual pair of scissors, so let's take a look at those now. These are my favorite scissors for crochet. You get 5 pair for $11.99. These are small. They're 3.6 inches long. You get one regular pair of scissors. The others are these cute little stork shapes. When you're crocheting, all you're doing is snipping yarn, so you don't need industrial size or strength scissors. These are perfect for the job. You can see the size right there. I keep these in my crochet bags, and we'll talk more about that later. Are you shopping for a beginning crocheter? Amazon has the Woobles. The Woobles are beginner's crochet kits with all the supplies that it takes to make this little narwhal right here. It comes with a hook, a needle, stuffing, the yarn. There are even step-by-step video instructions included. And if you look at this part right here, this is the best part in my opinion. They go ahead and start the yarn for you. So they've done the magic circle, which is really the hardest part of starting an amigurumi project. So that's already done, and your beginning crocheter can just carry on from there. If you'd like to purchase more than one kit, Amazon has this set of 3 for a great price. It's normally $104, and you save $20.99 right now. So you would get 3 kits for $83.94. If you want to buy a more general crochet book, this is a great one. Teach Yourself Visually Crochet. You can see up here at the top, I purchased this in February of 2020, right when lockdown was about to start. That's when I began teaching myself to crochet. This book, you can't see it in this listing, but it has photographs, diagrams, step-by-step instructions for all kinds of stitches, everything you need to know to learn crochet. So if you're a visual learner or know a crocheter who is, this is the book for them. Here's a great idea for a beginning crocheter who doesn't have a whole lot of yarn yet. It's this Red Heart Super Saver Yarn Craft Kit that comes with 12 mini skeins. You can see right here that they're smaller than a regular skein, but they're perfect for a crocheter who wants to collect some more colors but doesn't want to spend a whole lot on yarn. Let's talk about crochet hooks. These are my absolute favorite. These are Clover Amour crochet hooks. You can see right here at the top, I purchased these at the end of February 2020, right when lockdown was starting, and that's when I started to teach myself to crochet. I still use these hooks. They're in perfect condition. They are a little pricier than some, so if you want to give hooks for a gift, but you don't want to spend quite that much money, let's look at another set. I also love these Knit Picks We Crochet Dots hooks. These right now are 20% off, so you get the set of 9 for $27.99. Here's another set that I love. These are Boye ergonomic hooks. These are currently 30% off, so you get a set of 12 for $27.92. That's a great deal. Maybe you want to buy hooks as a gift, but you have more of a stocking stuffer budget, then these are a great choice. These Susan Bates crochet hook set are $13.59 for 5 hooks, but look, right now you could apply a $4.60 off coupon. So what a great deal that would be. These are a great value. Another super important crochet tool is stitch markers. These help you keep your place and know where you are when you're crocheting. The only kind of stitch markers I use are these right here. And the important part about them is that they are locking stitch markers. You don't want a stitch marker to fall out of your project because it's not secure, because then you're just messed up. And 150 pieces is a good number to have because you'll be surprised at how many of these get lost. So you need to have a lot of them. Right now, this set is 44% off for Cyber Monday. So this set of 150 is only $5.59. So you need to jump on that. This set comes with 100 pieces and they're $7.59, so they're a little more expensive, but they're super cute, and they come in all these different colors. I may have to buy myself a little Christmas gift. If you want to have a little more fun and spend a little bit more money on your stitch markers, here's a cute set, 14 pieces, cat stitch markers for $7.99, and you can see how cute those all are. You can have stitch markers like this in any form or fashion that you can think of. There's a stitch marker for that. Here are some cute ladybugs, 20 pieces, $13.99. As long as they are locking stitch markers, you're good to go. Another very important item for the Crocheter's Toolkit is yarn needles. I use these aluminum ones right here. They have the big eyes for threading yarn through, and they have the bent tips, which make it easy to put through a crochet project that might have stuffing inside it. If you're making amigurumi and you need to embroider face details, I like that it comes with this little case, little jar container. These are $5.49. They're not expensive. They're a great stocking stuffer. I mentioned earlier when I was talking about scissors that I like to keep a pair in a crochet bag, and this is what I was talking about right here. This is a small yarn storage bag. You can fit several skeins inside there, and I like to load this up with a crochet project that I'm currently working on, or maybe even a small market item, something that would be small enough to cost $10 or under that I need a lot of, so I could just crochet those whenever. And this one I keep ready for occasions like going to the hairdresser, where I'm going to be sitting in the chair getting color done for 2 hours, or if I'm going to be sitting in a doctor's waiting room. I have my project packed and ready to go that I can use while I'm there. I keep my hooks, yarn needles, stitch markers, everything in here. What's fun about this one is it has grommets that you can thread your yarn through to keep it from tangling. And this one is currently 24% off, so it's only $15.19 right now. That's a great deal. I also love this larger bag for traveling, road trips and vacations. I have one of these that I pack up with yarn for several different projects, and you can see just how much storage there is. Look at this right here. You can see all the room there is to put skeins of yarn. This one also has the grommets that make it easy to keep your yarn projects neat. It has so many inside pockets, outside pockets. You can pack everything you'll need for a month-long trip if you need to. This one is, pardon me, $37.99. That's a great price for the deal that you get. And you can get it in all of these different colors. Mine, that I love so much, is pink. Let's talk about comfort while crocheting. Sometimes our hands need a little help, and I love these compression arthritis gloves. You get 2 pairs for $9.99, and these are great if you do suffer from a little bit of arthritis. They're also nice for when you begin crocheting, when you're just learning and your hands aren't used to all of that movement that you're doing. They can get pretty sore. So it gives you a good size chart so you can figure out exactly what you need. And these are a very thoughtful gift for a crocheter. Another thing I use to keep me comfortable while I crochet are these gel finger sleeve protectors. There's 16 pieces in this set, 8 large ones and 8 medium ones. You can even cut these to size if you need to. But I will wear these sometimes when I've been crocheting for a long time and the hook is rubbing against my fingers, or maybe on my other hand, the yarn is sliding across my finger and kind of rubbing it raw. So these are also a great gift for someone who needs a little more comfort while they're crocheting. Here's something that would be a perfect addition to a crochet gift basket, and that's hand cream. We use those hands a lot when we're crocheting, and this is something that all crocheters need to have nearby at all times. This is O'Keeffe's Working Hands hand cream. We're not talking about hand lotion, not watery lotion. You need a real cream. O'Keeffe's right now is 11% off. Let's have some fun with crochet. Here's a set of 50 vinyl stickers that are great for putting on a water bottle, a laptop. You can see fun themes like getting through the day one stitch at a time. There's some handmade with love. If it's not hoarding, if it's yarn. So just really cute, fun stickers. Let's look at some crochet apparel. I have this t-shirt that says "In My Crochet Era." It's $19.95. It comes in lots of different colors, and I love to wear this. How about this Peace Love crochet shirt for $13.38? This one you can get in men's fit or women's fit, and look at all of the colors that it comes in. I also love this one. Look at how they designed the word love on this shirt with crochet tools. This one is 8% off. It's less than $10, and it comes in 6 different colors. Here's another Christmas gift I may have to buy for myself this year. It's a crochet hoodie that says, "I just need coffee and crochet." This one's $29.99, and it comes in a range of colors. Yeah, I need the pink one. This one is super fun. Crochet, coffee, and crime shows. $30.99, comes in 3 colors. Ooh, I like the gray one. We've come to the end of my crochet Christmas wish list. What's going to be under the tree for your crocheter? Or what have you decided to buy for yourself? Let me know in the comments. Meanwhile, check out these videos for more fun crochet content, and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching. Bye!